So today we're going to be taking you through Oxypot Multi-Plant Kits. They come with a reservoir base, a top tray to support your net pots, air pump, air stones, airline tubing and check valves. Some kits will also come with hole covers depending on the plant numbers. You can use the top tray in 2 positions. Turn it upside down for smaller plants and it'll keep the net pot sitting closer to your nutrient solution. As the roots grow, flip it over to raise your plants up and increase oxygenation. We'll show you how to assemble the 2-pot system, but the principle's the same for all of the sizes. Cut 2 2-inch long pieces of airline tubing and connect them to the air pump. Then fit the check valves to the other sides with the black ends closest to the pump. The air can only pass through check valves in one direction, stopping water from being siphoned back to the pump, preventing electrical failure and giving you peace of mind. Position the reservoir in its final spot and place the air pump close by. Cut lengths of airline tubing to fit between the reservoir's resting grooves and the free ends of the check valves. You can then connect up your air stones. Place them in the grooves, fill the reservoir with water and plug in your air pump. Sit your net pots in the top tray and place the tray onto the reservoir. We've also got 1 and 3 pot systems that use the same reservoir tank, as well as larger 4-pot, 5-pot and even 9-pot versions. One quick word of advice: if your reservoir temperatures do creep up above 21 degrees, then the oxygen content will start to drop and you can experience root problems. Chiller units solve the issue by maintaining perfect temperatures at all times, keeping you growing sweetly right the way through the year. To find out more, check out our website or come and see us in store.